I shorted one 130 strike call at $1.08, and I still have an open ask at 115. Looking for a move below 130. Still on ask. All right, so I've got a 112 average. Short the 130 strike calls at a 112 average. Testing highs. Need to keep respecting this area. Making a new high. Let's see what this looks like. Does it push or does it come back down? See, I kind of like that because you made a new high by a penny or two, but then you came down back into the 20s right away. So that makes me feel like there's some pressure here into those highs. I'm short two Apple 130 strike calls at $1.12 average, coming back down towards 130. If I can get a hold below 130, this should start to work out pretty nicely, I think. I'm going to try and cover one of two at 87 cents. And I placed a bid to cover the other one at 75 cents. If I can get a flush beneath 130 here, look to cover into that. So defended 130 right there. See if you can keep coming back down to it though. Getting downside from Tesla. And you're going to see downside from Apple if she breaks 130. But until then, she's still, at a risk of bouncing here. See if she comes back down right on top of 130 here in the next 30 seconds. That would be a good look. I like that. I like the way it's coming right back down to 130. Trying to get some asks beneath it. See if we can start flushing a little bit. Nope, not yet. There we go, staying down. Oh, still doing this little dance, this little 130 dance. Come on, buddy, try and break that 130 for me. They're putting up a fight. Still fighting. Here we go, this should be good. Nope, not yet. The market knows how important 130 is, because if you lose 130, you're going to see the S&P flushing. You hold 130, going to chop back up. Here we go. Testing low a day here. Trying to build that pressure. Still back above 130 though. Good job coming back beneath it. So maybe we're seeing 130 turn into resistance, but still kind of annoyed the way it keeps trying to bounce back above 130. Give it a second though. Got a decent average. Entry point was good, so I'm going to let this play out as long as it doesn't do anything crazy to the upside on me. This is that point, where I've got some small profits and you think, well, maybe I should just lock this in, but I'd rather sell at break even or take a small loss off of this than miss out on what I think can be a pretty good flush. But that's just me. If you caught a little short on Apple, you want to lock it in, do your thing. I've got bids in the cover at 88 cents and 75 cents. Sorry, 87 cents and 75 cents. Key test on the S&P at 2100. Notice that this 2100 test just coincidentally happened to occur with Apple also testing 130. Funny how things like that work out sometimes. Testing lows, making a new low. Now we're picking up. I covered one at 87 cents, filled the 87-cent cover. Nice crack, guys. You like that? Look what's going on in the S&P, losing 2100. So now I want to be getting resistance between 129.80 and 130-ish. Twitter's selling off as well. Tried to cover. All right, so I covered my full Apple position. I adjusted. I raised my other bid to 85 cents.